Here we go, 3D Shum in Excel. Today we are going to understand one of the unique thing in this tips and tricks series. You just see there are four quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4, and our target is to add all the sales means sales value. So there are two options. First option is like which we do regularly, like just do sum and then select this range and then give comma, go to quarter 2, select the range again, then comma, go to quarter 3, select the range again, comma, go to quarter 4 and select the range again, and then close the bracket. This is how we get the total. So there is one very shortcut to do this. इसे भी हम बहुत छोटे तरीके से कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई टेल यू, आप इक्वल टू सम फॉर्मूला लगाइए एंड देन गो टू C4 जो हमें रेंज स्टार्ट करनी है, एंड देन just click on shift button and select all the 4 quarter, that means quarter 1 to quarter 4 C4, and then don't stop shift button, keep pushing shift button and then complete your range 7. Make sure in all the quarter sheets data are presented on the same columns. Now close the bracket and then just put the enter. The result is same. I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.